How do you think the expectation of being an entrepreneur differs from reality?
Um, Probably in the sense that entrepreneurship is something that a lot of people are striving for because they think it's it's fun because you're your own boss, and you can basically do whatever you want to do, which is definitely, these are definitely benefits, but that's just really one-sided if you only look at this. So also the entrepreneurship itself, the way people tell the story about this is a bit biased towards just the benefits of it. There's definitely also downsides to it, the constant grind, basically that all problems basically are getting distilled and at the end up on your desk. So it's also important to basically portray the image that it's not just a fun kind of nice lifestyle to be an entrepreneur, but then there's also definitely a lot of work involved, and just a constant grind. And that's probably this other side is probably not so clear to many people, I would say.